In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pivot tables. A pivot table is a powerful way to summarize and analyze large lists of data without changing your original sheet. Think of it as a flexible report you can rearrange in seconds to answer different questions. First, prepare your data. Make sure everything is laid out in a clean grid with each column having a clear, unique header. Like date, salesperson, region, and revenue. Avoid blank rows or columns in the middle of your data because gaps can cause the pivot tool to miss part of your range. Keep each column consistent. Dates should be real dates. Numbers should be numbers and text should be text. If you see totals or notes mixed into the list, move them out so your pivot is built only from raw rows. Next, insert the pivot table. In Excel, click any cell inside your data. Go to the Insert tab and choose Pivotable. In Google Sheets, select your data range, go to Insert and choose Pivot Table. If your data is continuous and well-structured, selecting just one cell in Excel is enough. It will pick up the entire block automatically. In Sheets, selecting the exact range ensures the editor knows what to analyze. You'll be asked where to place the pivot table. Choose a new worksheet if you want a fresh canvas and a clear separation from your source data. Pick an existing worksheet if you want the pivot to live next to charts or notes you already have. Either way, you can move or resize the pivot later. So don't worry about being locked in. Now, build the report. The pivotable field list in Excel, or the pivot table editor in Sheets, will open on the side. You'll see all your column headers as fields. Drag the fields you want to group by vertically into rows, for example, salesperson or region. Drag fields you want across the top into columns like year or quarter. Put numerical fields, such as revenue or units, into values. This is where calculations happen. If the numbers don't sum the way you expect, change the summary type to sum, count, or average, depending on your goal. Finally, use filters when you want to limit the entire report to a subset like a specific region or a date range, without changing the underlying data. That's it. With clean data, a clear location, and the right fields in rows, columns, values, and filters, your pivot table becomes an instant, flexible report. Thanks for watching.